Okay, so this is how you get to make someone an admin of your Facebook page. To start, go to your browser and go to Facebook if you're on the PC, and then go to your pages. Now you look for the page that you will be making the person an admin of. So let's say ASKASABEA. I click on ASKASABEA. So it brings me to this page. Then on the left side panel, I can scroll all the way down and go to settings. Click on settings. Now it brings me to this new page where I have message, page info, and all these. We just come all the way down to page roles. So I click on that. And the first thing the person you want to make an admin should do is to like your page. So I presume the person might have liked your page already. So you just come here and search for it. So for example, maybe I'm looking to find IMT Ghana. I want to make IMT Ghana an admin. I could select that. Now you have several options. Okay, so you have the person can be an admin, an editor, a moderator, an advertiser, an analyst, or you can even customize the selection for the person. Okay, so for the purpose of this tutorial, we are just going to select admin. Okay, that's it. So I can click add. It's then going to ask me of my password, which I'm going to key that in. So then you submit. Then now it's pending. So the recipient had to accept that invitation here. So once you come here, you can as well cancel the invitation or just wait for the person to accept. And that is how you can simply add someone to your administrative rights. Okay, it's Asabea and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, now if you want to do same on your phone, the same approach, just look for your pages, look for settings, and then go to page row and you'll be fine. Okay, thank you very much. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.